Good evening, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Democrats in Congress are working hard to pass President Biden's new social spending bill. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi are pushing to pass a new round of inflation relief checks. But some Republicans insist that the relief only go out to a target group of people. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn if you will qualify for one of these relief checks. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And friends, the next scheduled giveaway is tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video.
Michigan families are struggling to pay these historic prices at the pump. Robert from Tecumseh, Michigan, told me that he, along with many other seniors on a fixed income, are simply unable to use their cars because of the price of gas. Another constituent wrote to me that someone drilled a hole in their truck's gas tank and stole their gas. This is the environment that President Biden's anti-energy policies have created. Since day one, the Biden administration has been hostile to American energy. They canceled the Keystone XL pipeline. They halted oil and gas leases on federal lands. They recklessly depleted our strategic reserves, which is now at its lowest level since 1987. They've done everything possible to discourage investment in domestic production. At the same time, the administration continues to beg Saudi Arabia and other foreign countries to boost their oil supply. It simply makes no sense.
Democrats are currently racing to finalize a scaled-back economic spending package that salvages several portions of the $2 trillion budget reconciliation plan that failed to pass last year in December. Many experts insist that the fate of the effort largely rests with Senator Joe Manchin, the centrist West Virginia Democrat. Senator Manchin has been negotiating a new agreement with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. Democratic experts have told Yahoo News Democrats have about 3 months to reach some sort of compromise. Otherwise, they may lose the ability to pass the bill under a special legislative tactic that allows them to bypass a GOP filibuster in the Senate. Now, friends, I know many of you are wondering what will be included in the updated version of the bill. The new bill will be narrower than the Build Back Better plan that passed by the House Democrats last year. It is likely to center around measures to lower prescription prices and combat climate change, while also including other energy security programs that are sought after by Senator Manchin. It is also likely to include some tax increases that will be used to pay for the new programs and reduce the deficit. Lawmakers are also insisting that the new bill include a new relief payment for the American people. Negotiations are also on health insurance. If you get your health insurance through the government health insurance marketplace, you may want to brace for higher premiums next year. Unless Congress takes action very soon, enhanced premium subsidies that have been in place for 2021 and 2022 will disappear after this year. That change would affect 13 million of the 14.5 million Americans who receive their health insurance through the federal exchange or their state's marketplace. A vice president at the Kaiser Family Foundation and director of its Affordable Care Act program told CNBC News, the default is that the expanded subsidies will expire at the end of this year. On average, premiums would go up more than 50%, but for some, it will be much more. Most enrollees, which includes the self-employed and workers with no job-based health insurance, receive subsidies, which reduce what they pay in premiums. Some people also may qualify for help with cost sharing, such as deductibles and copays on certain plans, depending on their income. Before the temporary changes to the calculation for subsidy eligibility, the aid was generally only available to households with incomes from 100% to 400% of the poverty level. The American Rescue Plan Act which was signed into law in March of 2021, removed that income cap, and the amount that anyone pays for premiums during the reprieve is limited to 8.5% of their income. Economist Jason Furman, who led the Council of Economic Advisors under President Obama, tells CNBC News that whatever Democrats do or don't do with this bill will affect the Federal Reserve as it looks to rein in inflation. So friends, please let me know what your thoughts are on this. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, for 6 months last year, parents across the United States received monthly checks. The expanded child tax credit lasted up until December 2021. It allowed for parents to receive up to $300 a month per kid. The program helped keep millions of children fed and out of poverty, touching 35 million families. It lapsed in December after Republicans and Senator Joe Manchin prevented Congress from making checks permanent. Some U.S. states are trying to step up where Congress has failed. In Vermont, a Republican governor and Democratic-led state legislature signed off on a $1,000 child tax credit for every child age 5 and under to all households earning $125,000 and below. Phil Scott, the state's Republican governor, had initially proposed a wider suite of tax cuts. In a statement, Governor Scott said his proposals would have helped a broader cross-section of taxpayers, but that this bill is a step in the right direction. The program is expected to cost $32 million. Friends, the keyword for this video is Burlington, Vermont. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Burlington, Vermont, in the comment section below, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And remember, friends, the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. With the new bill, Vermont is picking up where the federal government left off. The expanded child tax credit lapsed in December 2021 due to resistance from Republicans and Senator Manchin. So friends, do you think that Senator Manchin should support the expanded child tax credit payments? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my fabulous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate all of you. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Connie Myers. Congratulations, my friend. If I have named you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.